Hello there and welcome to LearnWire. Today we'll be doing a SpinRewriter 13 review. This is a software that I've been using for years and years. I believe I've been using this since the year that it came out. I've known about it and I've used it. I've built full websites with this software. This software is definitely, arguably the highest quality and most capable content spinner on the market. And so they have upgraded. I'm going to go over some of the new things to expect in the software. Every year they do a thing. This is Aaron Sustar, I believe, and he has been the owner for the last 11 years. So he is the one that created the software. Of course, he has a full development team and everything. This is a legitimate software, and you can expect nothing but the best with this software. So they've gone through and they've actually changed. It's usually always been like red and white kind of branding and coloring. Well, now they finally decided that it's time to kind of do a little bit of aesthetic color branding changes, and now they're implementing blue. So you can see, but the website does look really, really nice. It's very high quality. You can go through the sales page and look at all the different things that it can do. They've introduced ENL, semantic spinning technology. They are basically able to recognize when it's a very confident synonym to replace and the meaning of the word. When there's different words that mean different things, it's not going to replace it with a word that completely changes the meaning of the sentence, right? So it's a pretty sophisticated algorithm and technology that they use. You can go demo the software and so forth. We're going to be looking at all of this in this video. I'm actually even going to go do some live testing for you to show you kind of some realistic ways that you can actually use this software as a business model to go out and start making money online if that's what you wish to do. But before we do that, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to show you some of the top things that they've upgraded in the software as well. This is going to be the most in-depth review that you're going to get with SpinRewriter 13. Most everybody else is just going to play this video. It's just really funny. I went and saw somebody's review that they put out like 6 days ago. This software did not give anybody the access, because I've logged into it yesterday and used it. I logged into it early this morning and used it on the day of the launch, October 19th. And the back end, I'm logged in right here, did not look like this until 9 a.m. my time over here, 11 a.m. Eastern time. That's when everybody got the new SpinRewriter 13. And the way it looks in here and everything is completely different than the way it looked 2 hours ago, or an hour ago, I should say. So it's funny because all those reviews that came out before this are just telling you, here's SpinRewriter 13, go buy it. But they didn't actually go over all the different things that the software is going to bring and do an actual review. So I hope you guys will join me for this video, and I'll actually show you and dive deep into what is going on with SpinRewriter 13. So before we do that, let's go over here. And of course, this is one of those launches where I'm actually able to offer you bonuses if you do decide to pick this software up. With my AppSumo reviews, I'm not able to offer bonuses. They don't have any way of delivering the bonuses or anything like that. So I'm not really able to do that. But in this case, I am able to, because in the back end over here under the affiliate program, I'm able to go in and actually add bonuses for you if you do decide to pick this software up. So, and as you can tell, I'm already excited about the software. This is one of the softwares that I've had for 11 years. So of course I'm going to endorse this software. This software is awesome if you use it in the right way and you go into it with certain expectations. This software is right for some people. It may not be the best. If you have a money site or a legitimate business, no, don't use this software to create content. Okay, I'm just going to put that out there right now. But there's a lot of ways you can make money with this software. And then also if you're building PBNs or doing heavy SEOs, this is a perfect tool for that kind of stuff. Okay, so we're going to go through and I'm just going to show you what bonuses you could get. So just want to spend a little bit of time on the bonuses because I know that some people will be bonus hunting on this launch. There'll be a lot of affiliates promoting this. But I just wanted to show you that for one, you will get all these bonuses. They're pretty awesome bonuses. They are exclusive and they're all courses, premium courses of mine that I sell daily and weekly. So I still make sales on all these. It's real world value. I'm not going to come in here and say that I'm giving you $1,000 away just for picking up a $37 product or something like that. But these are real products of mine that sell, that can teach you a thing or two and give you a business model that you can actually go out and start making money if you wish. Okay, so you can get these bonuses for SpinRewriter 13 if you purchase SpinRewriter. Now, it's important for you to know that you can sign up for a free trial, right? You get a 5-day free trial with this. Just go sign up, go test the software out. You'll see how awesome and fast the software is. It's an insane software. And then if you end up buying the software, once you buy the software, whether it's on day 1 or day 2 of your trial, and you just say, cool, I'm all in. Yeah, I'm convinced. I like the software. I'm going to go buy it. Then and only then, when you actually pay for the software, then you will get my bonuses. There was confusion last year when I did SpinRewriter 12. I kept getting emails about, well, I didn't get bonuses. I didn't get bonuses. Well, these are not free trial bonuses. I'm not giving you a bonus for signing up for a free trial to something. I'm giving you a bonus if you actually purchase the software. Then you get my exclusive, very premium bonuses. So, if you're on a 5-day free trial, then and then you do decide to, your PayPal or credit card gets charged at the 5-day mark, then you instantly get my bonuses. So I just want to make that very clear to you guys that you don't get the bonuses until you purchase. You actually pay for the product, not during the free trial. Okay. I know that I kind of spent a lot of time on that, but I had a lot of emails last time that I had to answer several times about that, and there was confusion. So anywho, if you click on any of these green buttons here, obviously it's going to take you over to the sales page, and you can sign up for your free trial, test the software out, and then, make your decision if you want to purchase the software. If you do decide to purchase the software, I'm going to give you free access to bonus number 1, PLR Profits Academy, and this actually sells for $99. Let's see if I can go over there, and I'll actually show you the sales page real quick. Well, here is the software, the course on Gumroad, right? So that's actually where you're going to access the course. You can see that it's averaging a 5-star rating, 4.7 right here. PLR Profits Academy. You can go through all the stuff that you're going to learn right here. It's a really, really good course. Here's the actual sales page that I usually send people to sign up to the course right here. It's at teachmemoneymethods.com/PLR Profits Academy. There's a little sales video right there, and you can just see the quality of this course. I'm basically revealing all the ways that I've made money with private label rights products. You can see all of the different things right here, and you can even get a sample of some of the lessons right here. And you can get income proof, how you can take PLR and make it into courses and sell those. You can make full-blown YouTube channels with PLR, all kinds of stuff. And here's the price. It's a $97 that it actually sells for. And that's when people go and purchase this, they click the button and it will actually take them to purchase the $97 product. Okay. So that is what you're getting with that bonus number 1, one of my top selling courses of all time. Bonus number 2, how to create YouTube videos fast using AI. This is a really new course I created within the last 8 or 9 months. It's a really, really cool course that it's about an hour long, and it literally will open up your mind to how fast you can actually create videos using only artificial intelligence and build full YouTube channels with this method as well. Really cool course as well. And then small YouTube, big profits. I've made thousands of dollars on this course selling this course, but I'm giving this to you away just as a courtesy for picking up the SpinRewriter 13 if you do decide to pay for it. And this will teach you how I created, I think I made $13,000 in 6 months from 500 subscribers on YouTube. It's an insane, more of a case study, and I believe the course is about 3 hours long. So this is extremely in-depth. Just over the shoulder, I show you everything that I know about YouTube and how I started making money with a very tiny channel where I wasn't even monetized, right? The channel wasn't even monetized and I was making thousands of dollars. So this is really cool, and this will open up your eye to making money with YouTube as well. So all you have to do is just click on any of the green buttons. You'll get all of these once you purchase the product. Okay, so let's go over SpinRewriter and what you're going to get. Here's some of the things that they are bringing to the table. Right here, we are at Goodie number 1, a huge ENL semantic spinning tech breakthrough. SpinRewriter 13 is ready to take semantic spinning yet to another step further with a revolutionary approach based on GAN deep learning technology, 100% uniqueness and readability guaranteed. So the theme here is that they've just continued to improve the product and the technology behind how the spinning works. The goodie number 2, another thorough manual review with 400 plus hours invested so far of our synonym database will further refine the suggestions our algorithm is making, resulting in better articles. So they do this once a year, kind of a clean house, a new research, and they spend at least 400 hours with their development team and research team to make sure that the software is firing on all cylinders and creating unique and, most importantly, human readable content. Okay. Then we can come through here. Goodie number 3, massively improved user experience. The UX, I call it the UI, but the UX as a result of our extensive in-person user testing, the improved UI in version 13 will make our users' lives much easier when it comes to generating virtually unlimited, unique content. And then there's a design facelift. You guys saw that once we came over here. You know, it's not a huge upgrade, but they changed some colors around. So really, they just changed some colors, and that's fine. Doesn't look like they've really changed much other than the colors are different. And, you know, if you've been using the software for 11 years, you can appreciate something really simple like that. But it's not like a major upgrade or something like that. Let's be honest. Number 4, onboarding process that guides our newest users by the hand. Yeah, they have a bunch of different 15 detailed hands-on video tutorials on how to best use the software. And then the archive of spun articles, I'm not going to really get into that. So you can keep reading. There's more stuff that they did, but oh, and then this is big. The SpinRewriter WordPress plugin. You can actually do all your work inside of WordPress, and it actually now works with Gutenberg, which it didn't before. So it works with Gutenberg. Such a funny word, man. Gutenberg. It works with that block editor, and that's the native block editor that comes with WordPress right out of the box. So really cool that works with it as well. So generally speaking, they just continue to improve the technology behind this and the synonyms and the readability. Okay, so let's go in and do what you guys really want to see, which is let's do some demo stuff. Okay, so this is the software inside of here. There's gold membership. I'm not going to really go over that in this review. You get like priority support, and you get I guess I could click on it real quick just to show you. Looks like I guess I do have gold membership active. Your SpinRewriter gold membership gives you access to the VIP services. I don't even use these services, and you get up to 50 articles that they do for you per month. And you can order them from here. And then you get a limited access, set up limited access account for your assistant. So you can actually set up your assistant account. I'm so glad that I'm showing you guys this. I actually have access to this and I haven't used it. But I'm thinking something is kind of, I've had some thoughts of how I could actually use this software to build a website, intentionally build a website that is nothing but spun content. And I can maybe add a little bit of flavor to that here in a little while. If I can remember to at the end of the video, I'll mention it. But let's move forward. Download iPhone app, download Android app so you can do this on your phone. You only get all this priority servers for faster spinning, and you get VIP customer support. So I guess gold really does pack a punch. You get a lot with gold. And then there's the WordPress plugin. You also get that as well. It's active right there on my account. So I could go and download this and use this as well. Okay. Then you have your archive. You can always look at your archive of articles and work that you've done right over here. And, you know, I have 35 pages of just using the software, which is cool. But you're going to spend most of your time on rewrite right here. You can also do batch articles as well. If you come back over to home, rewrite multiple articles at once. If you end up going and purchasing a PLR pack and it has 50 articles in it, you can come in here and just start pasting them in right here. And you can just do several articles at once by just going like that. And then you would just click the rewrite article. Really good stuff. You can upload by zip. You can upload by text. file, really good stuff, but you're going to spend most of your time in this single. I know I do, if you're going to put a little bit more time into doing the rewrite and stuff. So you're going to start off right here. You're going to go settings, and then you're going to have all these different settings that you can go with. You can read through here. You can also go and look at the more information. I'm not going to go over that in this video, but I always just, because I like to click the first one and the top one and the bottom one. I like to change the structure and phrases of the sentences. I also like to automatically rewrite sentences. I just think that those are the most powerful. I don't really want it to write more paragraphs for me or rewrite the entire paragraphs at a time. Words and phrases, this is the most important setting, I believe. If you want to hold off any, protect keywords from being spun, then you would put them in right here, and then you can leave it on recommended, and then you can also go into most readable right here. Most readable, it's going to read really well. I mean, you're not going to tell that it was spun content, but you have the chance of it being picked up by some plagiarism detectors. Now, a certain level of plagiarism is okay, I believe. Like if it's 80% unique or something like that, I believe that it's okay. I think there's always going to be a little bit of crossover and overlap on the web, and we can't guarantee 100% unique content all the time. And I've seen so many different websites that have a lot of basically plagiarized content that they've plagiarized and put it on their site, and then they have like DAs of over 50, and they have they're ranking like crazy, and they have an authority site and everything. So I don't think that you get penalized for not having 100% unique content, but I do think that there's a fine line. So, this would probably be this is probably what I would use personally, but we're going to just spin with recommended, and go with that for now. And then you have auto click rewrite, hyperspeed, and so forth. Okay. So we have our settings. Now let's go and let's go through. Okay. So let's just say that we're going to build an RV, living in your RV type, website, right? And we go and find a site that's ranked maybe on number 2. It has a little bit of authority, and they're doing some things right, and they're creating content and everything. Well, there's certain ways that you guys could do this. Actually, you could actually go and be like, well, they already went out and did all the topic research. They're starting to get traffic and everything. So how can we actually go and model this website, right? We can create our own website and everything, right? And take everything that I say with a grain of salt from this point forward. I'm not telling you to go out and do this or anything like that, but I'm just trying to tell you how you could use the software if you choose to do that, right? But remember to do this at your own risk, and that with this would definitely be more of a black hat method, and that you have to do it at your own risk of, you work really hard for 5 months and then your site gets, penalized and taken down or something, right? So you have to know what you're getting into and be smart with your business, okay? So, and take accountability and responsibility for if you decide to do something like this. You have to know that you're in testing mode and so forth. But with that said, I have seen a lot of sites, and quite frankly, I just purchased a site that I actually did not know that basically the entire site, 370 articles on the site, were basically scraped, plagiarized content, and I did not know that. And the site, and I did buy it for thousands of dollars. And the site has a DA of 55, and it is ranking like crazy, over 30,000 keywords, and is very profitable, making a lot of money. So yeah, you can do that. And I'm very surprised that with all these advanced algorithms that Google has, there's still sites out there like this. There are still sites that actually go out and have scraped content and that outperform all the other sites and get thousands upon thousands of keyword rankings. So it's crazy that in 2002 that method still works. So I am telling you that I have, firsthand personal experience with right now in 2022, October 19th, 2022. Yes, plagiarized content on a site does rank. I don't know how. I don't know why. But it does. But nonetheless, what SpinRewriter will do is will protect you from having plagiarized content on your site, because it will spin the hell out of the content and it will make it 100% unique, right? So let's go and check this out. The top 5 RV brands in the USA. So looks like they have that. Let's see, the top 5 RV brands It's not letting me copy that part. Let me see. Okay, copy. So we're going to go back into SpinRewriter over here. And actually, no, I don't want the title right there because we are going to just title it that same title. But we're going to grab all this content right here. It's not too much content. We can right click and just word counter plus. It's a 1,000-word article. Okay, we're going to copy this and we're going to go into SpinRewriter. We're going to paste it in right there. So we have our content in there, and then I'm just going to say rewrite the content. And then you would go into your WordPress blog, right? Okay, so like 45 seconds later, you can see what the power of this. It is just identified all the words on this entire article. You could create hundreds or thousands of articles from this one article if you wanted to. But for my purposes and what I think it would be the most powerful is creating that unique article, right? You can create billions of possible versions right here. You can finalize the article. I'm just going to say one-click rewrite. It's going to do the entire article rewrite in one process. And it's activating the recommended synonyms at this point. So it's actually going out and it's going to pick the one that it thinks is the best synonym for that word or phrase. And it's going to just do it all instead of, I believe that step we could have just said finalize article because I think it already identified all this stuff, but this shows you the one-click rewrite basically. So you can see the software going to work right now in the background. It should be done pretty quick. And then you'll see right here, it will be finishing up and it should go automatically to the next step. Yep, right here. And then you're just going to say finalize the article right here. And then you have all that text in Spin with the Spin coding on it right here, Spin tax, right? All right there. And then basically you can add insert relevant videos inside of here if you wanted to. You can come over here and say living in a camper, fetch videos, and we could go and just say, you know, let's add one, wrap the text around it. You can add videos, multiple videos inside. And then you can also go insert relevant. I'm just going to say camping right there and maybe a camper or RV. Great. Use those images. So we have that. You can also still come in here and adjust settings if you wanted to. You can generate, this is the magic button right here. You can generate a unique article and you will see right here the unique article that was created. They do have a fixing grammar, but you do have to use another software to do that. I'm not going to go into that in this post, but we can come through here and look, and it added an image, a video right there. It wrapped it around the text and so forth. Okay. And it's estimating that it's 94% unique. We can go, you can hook up Copyscape to your account and automatically click it there as well. You can copy the text right here. You can download a text file, download a doc file, download a PDF. And then you can also hook your WordPress site up to this and immediately post this and publish it to WordPress, which is just insane. Okay. I believe you can also get this automatically hooked up to create content for you automatically to basically run an auto blog. But you could take this, then run this through NeuronWriter, run this through a Surfer SEO, and then really SEO the heck out of it, and your content's going to rank. So what you can do here is we can go copy this content to the clipboard. Then we can go in here to Grammarly, and this is Grammarly Premium, right? It's known as one of the best plagiarism detectors on the web, along with Copyscape and a couple others. But we're going to come through here and throw that in here. Check plagiarism, and we're at 1% plagiarism, right? So we scroll through here, look at this. Everything is unique. Now you can pause the video and read. Which motorhome brand name are you thinking about? Permanent and even vacation style RVing can be a hard trip initially. However, it's certainly made much easier when it's done in a camper that is particularly crafted toward access as well as comfort. In regards to selecting the RV brand name that is best for you, that's a large choice. Nevertheless, making a listing of your particular requires as well as, okay, so sometimes you can see where it kind of ties up a little bit. Obviously you can use this and you can go and read through this, obviously, and fix a couple of the things that need fixed. But we're looking at one line up here that you would just rewrite this line, right? Rewrite that line and then boom, it would be it would be good to go. Actually, publishing it immediately like this, I believe personally that it's totally fine because it only has 1% detection, and I don't think you have to have 100% unique in order to rank on Google. And I'm seeing that in my own business. So then you can come over here and start correcting all this so that you can use their grammar detector that's actually going to go and see, like right here, it recognizes that right here that is wrong. To aid you decide, right? So you would go ahead and fix that, right? You would just use Grammarly to go through this and fix this content, and it'll read perfect, okay? So then you have someone else creating the content for you. It's going to pass plagiarism detection, and you're going to fix the grammar and so forth. So super, super cool way to use this tool to your advantage. We could also go in here and use another paid tool and see if what it comes up with. And then we could also, we'll just use those two tools for now and see what Writer's End paid plagiarism detection also finds on it as well. While we're doing that, one more time, if you want to pick up SpinRewriter 13, this was established in 2011, and it is a killer product for content spinning. And there's a lot of other uses for it I can't go over in the video. Just wanted to do something that was actually like a real world way to use the software, but there's plenty of other ways that you can use the software. A couple things. If you guys want more videos on SpinRewriter, leave a comment below. If you made it this far in the video and watched this whole long deep dive into SpinRewriter, then also leave a comment below and say, yep, I watched the whole video. That really, really is awesome. I really appreciate you guys for sticking around watching these long videos, but I do want to get like more information out to you. I don't want to just put it together an 8 to 10 minute video and have you guys just thinking that the software is going to solve all of the world problems and you need to go buy it, right? I want to show you what the software can do, and if it's right for your business, you can go and pick it up. But yes, I do recommend the software to it depends on what you're doing in your business. It's not for everybody. If you're more wanting 100% premium content, then I recommend you just finding a premium writer and do that, or write the content yourself. Maybe use AI writers, and then you're still going to have to edit the content regardless of what you do, right? This is just a different approach, a different way to get content, right? But for most people that are into building niche websites, I think that this tool definitely can come in handy. You could also do combinations of writing half the article with SpinRewriter, half the article with one of your AI writers, and then use Grammarly to touch everything up. And believe me, your content's going to rank. And then you can also put it through like NeuronWriter or something like that. There's some really, really cool workflows and processes that you can use all these tools in combination to create the highest level of content that is unique and that can rank, right? So if you want to go and pick up my bonuses, if you do decide to purchase this product, you will get PLR Profits Academy. You will get how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software, and you will get small YouTube, big profits, probably over 10 hours of training right here of courses, premium courses, all for free, just for becoming a customer from SpinRewriter. That doesn't cost you any more money to purchase it through my link, but as a courtesy, I will give you these courses. Okay. We'll go back over here to plagiarism, and it passes plagiarism detection in Writer's End right here as well. So that is my review of SpinRewriter 13. Go ahead and check it out. Link will be below. I appreciate you guys. Go sign up for your free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.